हाय गाइस, मैं एक बहुत ही स्पेशल जगह पे आई हूँ और कहाँ पे वो आपको बताऊंगी। पहले बताओ कि मैं ठीक तो लग रही हूँ ना? हाँ तो चलो। सो हाय गाइस, आज हम आए हैं निफ्ट जोधपुर। तो बेसिकली मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन ये है कि आई एम अ जर्नलिस्ट, आप सबको पता होगा। और मेरी छोटी बहन जो है वो निफ्ट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं। और एज एन आई एम फ्रॉम जोधपुर, तो मुझे तो बनता है कि निफ्ट जोधपुर का एक बार घूम के देखें या टूर करके देखें। चलो हमारे साथ घूम के देखते हैं निफ्ट जोधपुर। कैसे हैं आप? बहुत बढ़िया। और आज हम इधर आए हैं आपके कैंपस के एक टूर करने के लिए, क्योंकि आपको पता है मेरी बहन को बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है कि निफ्ट में पढ़ने का। तो लेट्स गिव अ टूर ऑफ योर कैंपस। आई वुड रियली अप्रिशिएट इफ यू गिव मी द टूर।
Oh my God, we would love to. It would be an honor. Let's start with it. Okay. So as you can see, that's one of the slogans. I love Nift Jodhpur. And all of us people like together. That it's our primary slogan, and it's also
So you
like a
guys
selfie
love Nift
point.
Jodhpur a lot.
I mean, there's mixed feelings, but I mean, it is what it is.
So it's really a very greenery inside Rajasthan. It's not at all feeling like we're in Rajasthan. It's so much greenery, like trees and all.
One of our wall art installations that our second year students did in Nift Jodhpur. It was one of the part of the co-curricular activities that we usually do here. That's our work,
Very nice.
Thank you so much. And here you can see, a series of beautiful art installations. It goes over that wall. All of it is based on traditional Rajasthani art.
Kalbelia art.
Yeah, exactly. You're very intelligent, I must say.
Thank you, yeah. Oh, it's very nice installation and very nice concept to decorate your campus. It's like very nice initiative. Guys, now we're going to visit the main building of Nift Jodhpur. Let's have a tour. Finally, we are into Nift Jodhpur. This is the way they're welcoming Khamba Gani to Rajasthan. It's very delightful. Let's head forward. Well, I any students. So this is director sir of Nift Jodhpur, and such a good display over here. Like whenever we visit from outside and we see that what are the achievements of Nift Jodhpur, it's very delightful to see over there.
Actually, let's move forward to our department of fashion design. This is where all the fashion design students design and create their very fashion design. As you can see.
What's this structure about?
So basically, it's a structure designed by one of our last year fashion designing students. It's one of the avant-garde structures, inspired.
This lab?
So basically, this is the garment construction lab of our fashion designing students. This is where all the garments are actually constructed. This is where all the machines are decided. This is where every student spends their most time of the day. So these are, one of the remnants of our co-curricular activities, which comes under visual design. The students had to design every wall that you can see over here. Right now they're uncapped, but at the time of design, they were pretty good.
Details about this one?
So as you can see, this is basically designed by our first year college students. There was a subject called Monday Design, in which they had catered a concept and converted it into a wall installation. As you can see, these are the name of the makers over here. And yeah, this is one of the most
You guys seem to be pretty creative, right?
yeah, right. This is one of the most well-designed wall installations we have right now.
Okay.
You can see, we have finally come to our fashion communication. This is where where all the craziness, all the media work sets in. As you can see, all the different kinds of graffiti over there made by our feet.
मुझे शेयर करना है
So, everywhere in the world.
आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है? आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है? आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो आप लोगों को पता ही है
नहीं
मतलब
सर,
इनको
जिसको कोई नहीं जानता वो मुझे जानते हैं
one worded answer, guys. I will be exact result over there. So, as we come across the design department, you can see a variety of memory lane photographs going on over there. From art installation pieces to photographs to newspaper magazines and stuff like that, we have everything in here. These are all the assignments of the students catered at one place. Those were the previous batches and the works. Oh, let's dive into our photography lab. Before, you must take your shoes off because it's clean in there, This is our photography lab. As you can see, there's a photo shoot going on over here. There's a grey background. The lights are on. And we have a model, a photographer, the flickers and everything. As you can see, the photographer is discussing with it. This is where the craziness sits in. This is where the craziness sits in. This is where all the lights and flickers are, held together. And this is where you get the most basic, the most best photographs from the whole.
Guys, now we want to talk with one of the professor of NIL Jodhpur, Miss Geeti ma'am. So we'll get to know more about the college from her. Let's get it. So ma'am, we are here to learn about the college. So can you please give us a piece of information about the college?
This college is full of energy and it is about we all are trying, not only the faculties or not only the students, we all try to do something every day, explore some creative things, and every day we explore something new things in our life. Okay, and also for the new fashion, new world which can meet with the present market and the demand.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sure that the students will have a great guidance with you guys and all.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, yeah.
We
Thank
are
you, ma'am.
always trying to do that.
Thank you, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Best of
ma'am.
luck.
Finally, we have come to our IT lab where we do all the media stuff and digital work over there. Let's go and dive in. This is the watchman uncle.
To the lab, let's do it. I'm going to see another lab and she informed me that this is a Mac lab. So let's dig in. Okay. So here is a place where all the students enrich their creativity and digital workshops, right? It's
very silent.
It's very well set up by you guys. I'm really impressed by this well set up and all. Like you guys are providing so good environment to the students. The teachers are so helpful. The labs are so well furnished. And like it's all now packaged within one college. So it's really very beautiful to see.
We are very grateful that you came here to explore.
Yeah. So after taking a wonderful tour of the college, we finally landed to weaving lab, that is of textile design department. Let's dive in to see what textile department student does in reality. So here we entered the textile design lab and we found a student of textile design. Hi. Hello. So my name is Sneha and I am third year TD student. And now I'm going to show you whole TD department. So this is the weaving lab. These are the weaving machines. And here from thread the fabric is made. So yeah, this is the whole I have not अभी बचा हुआ है weaving का कोई भी, लेकिन ये है weaving lab. You can see. So these are the fabric swatches which our students have made. So these are all the works of our students.
TD lab. We also have the accessory design lab, but unfortunately we are late today, and for that reason the TD lab got closed. So we'll try to show you the AD department in my next video. That vlog is going to come. But for that you guys have to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and follow me regularly. So now we are here to a wonderful collection that is created by the students of New Jodhpur, which is a marvelous piece of art, I must say. The designs, the unique patterns, the embellishments are so nice to me. So now we are going to visit the Resort Center of New Jodhpur. Let's come. So there is a very great collection of books in this book, as you can see. They're starting from textiles, fabric science, and weaving, and a great many Hindi pustakalais is there, which is a very good part of it. We have books of apparels, pattern makings, and lot more. So it's basically a treasure trove for all the students out there. So here we have a collection of all the crafts just collected in the Jodhpur. So you can see necklaces, the jhumkis, the earrings, the pieces, art pieces, and textile pieces, and finally ending to the bone cutlery sets and metal art pieces. We are done with the tour of the college. Now we are getting to the tour of the campus, the hostels, the mess, etc. Let's move on. So guys, now I know what's more special about NIF Jodhpur, and you know what? It's not a secret to you. You can say it yourself. So guys, after coming to NIF Jodhpur, I feel like I came back to my college life, and I am not going to leave this campus very fast. So for that, I'll go into the hostel and invade to the rooms to check how good they are. Guys, now here starts the hostel lane of NIF Jodhpur.
So this is Padmavati Hostel, and we have a whole chain of hostels over there. Let's move in. Oh my god, the sunset. Guys, this is the mess. And this is the boys' hostel. And the next two are girls' hostel. They have really good accommodation inside the campus. This is another plus 100 Jodhpur. And the campus is huge.
यहीं बाहर
So guys, we are at next Jodhpur new hostel, like Savitri Pure Hostel. And let's go inside to find out how the hostel looks. Cool vending machine. The cool ground, obviously. Now we are going to the top hostel. Dance and music room, and to the noise that I'm gonna hear, I can guess it that students are practicing for some big event of the college. That is a secret, but let's see. Guys, we are heading to the gym. To that, we end up our experience from Jodhpur, which was a very beautiful, very exciting, very vast. See you in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.